Si te invito a una copa y me acerco a tu boca.
It's Wednesday, April 27, 2016. Hope guys had a great day. Let's start our day off going to Ikea.
I can't keep up with your turning tables under your thumb. I can't breathe. So I won't let you close enough to hurt me. No, I won't rescue you to just desert me. I can't give you.
Days go by so fast. It's one more day up in Canada.
Right now we're in Ikea. First we're gonna eat
Work, work, to me, I be work, 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 work.
I spilled all my emotions tonight, I'm sorry. Rolling, 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 rolling.
No te perdonaré si me dejas por dentro con ese dolor.
yes.
¿Ya qué quieres? Ese brócoli, pues papitas con brócoli. Mira, ¿alguna quiere? Mira.
Sir.
The broccoli and... Sure. Digo, cógelo.
My favorite food from Ikea is the chicken tenders. My mom always gets the meatballs with the sauce. So yeah. From Ikea I got a salad chicken tender with bread, Lay's, 2 cheese sticks, honey mustard, ranch, and soda. My grandma got some meatballs, potato, the red sauce, some salad, soda. My mom got some french fries with the meatballs and the salad and the soda.
You know, Masino, you run the world.
Let's put some music in 3, 2, 1.
They be acting red time and we clapping shit. I be putting myself in the finest shit. I got plenty of stuff with Bugatti, but look how I tried this shit. Black is 6, final. Why is he killing no comma? Pop a perk, I got signed a gorilla. They come and kill you with bananas for feelings. I feel it, pull up in the final. No niggas think I'm...
We're almost done in Ikea.
Está bonito esto. Pero esto para abajo, ¿verdad?
From Ikea, we got some meatballs, chicken meatballs, some lingonberry jam, organic, some stuff for the kitchen. That's all my grandma's, grandma, my mom's. So yeah. Right now we're gonna get ice cream. That's okay. hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm gonna end my video here. You could always follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And remember to always love and care and support each other. Thanks for watching, and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos over the week, and leave a comment.